Hi, this is Latoya here again, and this video is about how to host or create a web server using Apache. So I have already installed and set up my Apache, so what I'm going to do now is just go through step by step and what you need to do in order for this to function. So first, you're going to Google search for Apache, and you're going to select Welcome to the Apache Software Foundation. You're going to scroll down and select HTTP server. Select from a mirror here. You're going to select Open SSL download here. Once you complete download, you're going to select it and run the install. As I said, I've already installed the Apache server. Through your installation process, you will see a pop-up asking for domain name, server name, and email address. What I am putting in mine was localhost for the first two, and when they ask you for email address, you can put in your personal email address or whatever email address you have. Once you finish doing that completion of installation, you'll have to configure the Apache. Right, so once you have done this, you're going to into your disk, your local disk. You're going to go into Programs, Files 86. This is where your Apache has been downloaded and installed. So your configurations is there. You're going to go into your Apache group, go to Apache 2, and select Config. Select HTTP PD. In here, you're going to grant access to port 80. So you're going to put your IP address with port 80 and put list on so that it knows what port you're going to be using. So to get your IP address, you're going to search for your command prompt here by typing in cmd, and your command prompt will pop up. You're going to type in IP config to search for your IP address. Alright, once you've gathered your information, you're going to input it here, like I said before, with port 80. Once this has been completed, you're going to go into your Windows firewall to grant access to Apache. You're going to go into Allow Programs and select Apache here and select Home and Private and Public. If you don't have Apache appearing here, you're going to go into Change Setting and you're going to add Apache to your list and grant it access to your firewall. Now, one thing I forgot to mention earlier when you're trying to configure Apache is that sometimes some persons may not have access to save, because after you put in your edit to tell it to listen to port 80, you're going to have to save your changes in order for that configuration to take place. If you're not allowed to save directly, you're going to have to select Properties here by right clicking and selecting Properties, and you're going to select or grant access to Administrator through here. Right? Once this is done, all should be well and you'll be able to configure and proceed. After all this has been completed, you're going to launch your browser again and type in your IP address. So my IP address is here. This should appear. Now, some people may get the page where it appears and says it works different versions of Apache, when installed, you will get different messages. Sometimes it works and sometimes it does. But as you can see here, it has shown that the installation of Apache server has been successful and content can be edited and placed on this page. Right, so this page is just to show that it has been successful and the web server is active, and configuration has to be made to show a different display. So there you have it, the installation or how to host and install a web server. Thank you.